Hi everyone, I would have loved to be there with you today, but institutional commitments require me to stay in Rome. The reason why I would have loved to be there with you is that I really believe that aerospace research in general is a fundamental sector of innovation in Italy and in the rest of the world. And I'd like to congratulate the Italian Center on Aerospace Research, CIRA in Italian, for the kind of work it does, for the kind of innovation it promotes, the kind of focus of your workshop that unites both air safety as well as explorations into space is extremely important to the expansion of the Italian aerospace research community. I hope you're going to have time while you're there and with your workshop to visit the plasma tunnel and the ice wind tunnel that are two important components of CIRA's research infrastructure. They're unique in the world, and I really believe that are significant. I haven't had a chance to visit them myself yet, but I count on being able to do so very soon. So I wish you a very good day, I wish you a very good workshop, and I promise I'll be there on the next occasion. Thank you so much.